AI and IT operations, AIOps. How it works. AIOps, short for Artificial Intelligence or IT operations, is a new approach that uses AI, machine learning, ML, and big data to enhance and automate IT operations. Traditional IT management tools struggle to keep up with the complexity, volume, and speed of modern digital infrastructure. AIOps addresses this challenge by analyzing vast amounts of data in real time to detect issues, predict problems, and take action automatically. How AIOps works. AIOps platforms collect and analyze data from various IT environments, including logs, metrics, events, traces, alerts. Using advanced machine learning models and algorithms, AIOps systems perform three key functions. 1. Data ingestion and correlation. AIOps ingests data from multiple sources across the IT stack: servers, applications, networks, and cloud services. It correlates seemingly unrelated events to create a unified view of system behavior. For example, a spike in CPU usage, a failed login attempt, and slow database response may all be connected and indicate a security breach or system failure. 2. Anomaly detection and root cause analysis. Instead of relying on static thresholds or human monitoring, AIOps learns normal behavior patterns over time. When it detects anomalies, like unusual traffic spikes or degraded performance, it alerts IT teams or takes automated corrective action. Root cause analysis is also faster, as AIOps pinpoints the exact component or event causing the problem. 3. Automation and remediation. One of the biggest benefits of AIOps is intelligent automation. When an issue is identified, AIOps can trigger predefined workflows to resolve it. For instance, restarting services, scaling cloud resources, notifying responsible teams, creating tickets automatically. This reduces manual intervention, shortens downtime, and improves service availability. Benefits of AIOps. Faster incident response. Detect and resolve issues in real time. Reduce alert fatigue. Filter out noise and prioritize meaningful alerts. Improved uptime. Proactive detection prevents outages. Smarter decision-making. Data-driven insights support better planning. Cost savings. Automating routine tasks reduces operational costs. Common use cases: monitoring and alerting for cloud and hybrid infrastructure, predictive maintenance to avoid downtime, automating ticket creation and escalation, identifying performance bottlenecks in apps or databases, enhancing cybersecurity with real-time threat detection. Final thoughts. AIOps is transforming how organizations manage IT operations by making them smarter, faster, and more proactive. As IT environments become more complex, AIOps helps businesses stay agile, reduce downtime, and ensure seamless digital experiences for users. Embracing AIOps is not just an upgrade. It's a strategic move toward intelligent, automated IT management.